Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on BIFI Finance. As in my previous video, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that BIFI Finance broke out on a 7 days time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, the price line is still not able to break out another downtrend and resistance, and this is the formation of a quite long-term descending triangle. Here you can see that we had a powerful attempt for the breakout, and this was, by the way, quite powerful pump from this support of the triangle up till this resistance. It was almost 240% pump, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1,000 that was previously working as support here and almost as support here as well. And once again, we got rejected and dropped down and re-entered the same descending triangle that was previously broken out. And at the same time, it is also trying to break out this very, very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. By the way, this time the cloud is quite weak. Therefore, it will be really very easy for the price and to break out. If it breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then it can easily break out the Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very big hidden bullish divergence signal flashed on the 7 days time frame chart. As you can see that the price line is forming higher low, and it has found a very nice uptrend line support and getting squeezed between this uptrend line support and the resistance of this triangle. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is moving down and it is forming lower than previous low, and the price line is forming higher low than previous low. This is a very big hidden bullish divergence signal, and stochastic has entered the oversold zone and it is forming a bull cross. Like this blue line is crossing up the orange line. That can be a very, very nice buying signal. And in today's video, we will also take a look at this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for BIFI Finance that I shared almost 6 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 12% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BIFI Finance that I shared on 16th of May 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that BIFI Finance formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And so far, it has pumped almost 12%. And I'm expecting that this move can be bigger one. And before that, by the way, we caught almost 81% pump. That was another harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that BIFI Finance formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone, and this rally was beyond the sell target zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move. Then how the price line moved up, you can see that the price line pumped very well and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 81% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BIFI Finance. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos, even in my videos that I shared with you last year when it broke out the resistance here in the month of October 2022, but could not break out this downtrend line resistance and this long-term resistance of $500 as well. You can see it is getting rejected by this $500 resistance again and again, and sometimes we are having spikes up to the next long-term resistance of $600 as well. We can see we got rejection here, here, and here as well. And at the same time, we have found this downtrend line resistance as well. You can see we got several rejections here, a few more rejections here, here, and here as well. And this is the most recent rejection. For a while, we broke it out, but re-entered the same triangle. And now we have found another uptrend line support here. And at the same time, you can see that stochastic is moving down and forming a lower low, but the price line is forming higher low. This is the hidden bullish divergence signal. And the price line is likely to follow this signal and gearing up from the support. And now if the price line will break out the resistance of the triangle, then at the same time, it will also break out this very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well that was previously breaking at a very huge resistance. You can see here we had a very strong cloud, but now it is quite weak. Therefore, easily the price can this time break out this cloud. And now if we take a look at the targets for these expected breakouts, first let me show you the target for the breakout from this big ascending triangle. And after the breakout, the target can be here at this long-term resistance of $1,000. And the final target for this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2,700 to $3,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.